Troubleshooting an LG top-load washing machine lid not locking. Your LG top-load washing machine was designed with a safety locking feature to protect you and your home from any injury or damage. The lid should lock automatically once the start button is pressed, if the water level is too high, or if the water is too hot. If your washer's lid will not lock, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take that will often resolve the issue. Here's what to do. Check to see if there are any clothing items caught in between the lid and washer. If so, remove the item and try to close the lid gently. Make sure that no foreign object is stuck in between the lid and washer. If there is, remove it and gently close the lid. Look for any visible detergent buildup in between the lid and washer. Clean and remove any buildup, and try to close the lid gently. Lastly, check if there are any visible cracks or damages to the lid. If there is, the unit will require repair service. If you have checked all these steps and the washer lid still will not lock, the unit will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.